There we need some realistic sense. The fear or the worry, is it helping you or not? The tomorrow, if you are fearful of something or anxious about something, is that anxiety or the fear helping you to overcome that situation which you are afraid of, or helping to bring that situation for you? It is not helping any way at all. So we should understand if it is a caution, it is different. That is not fear. Suppose there is fire, you should not walk into it. That is not fear of fire. That's the understanding of the power of the fire, and you take a decision. But fear and anxiety, they are always assumed. And again, it is coming from what? Because you are not pinning your attention on the performance or whatever is the present situation. You are thinking of the future where there is a gap. This desire brings in the fear and anxiety both. So elimination of the desire will at once eliminate the fear and anxiety also. That is the benefit of elimination of desire. Suppose it's a real one lady. She used to every day when the husband goes to the factory, by afternoon she would start getting nervous, vomiting sometimes, thinking that some accident has taken place to my husband has undergone some accident or so. And husband will arrive every day at 7 o'clock. But till then, she will even kill the husband so many times and suffer from that. We should understand that there is no point. We can think that, okay, let me accept my husband has died. I will get prepared for whatever to be done. What is that? I have to earn, or I have to do this, I have to do that, I have to work as both mother and father, and so you do it. So even that thought experiment or bringing in what I am afraid of will sometimes help. Suppose a boy was always scared of failing in the exam, and out of that he used to become so nervous that he is not able to sit for the exam properly. So actually he is failing. You say, why don't you think that you have failed? You are not getting admission anywhere. The father had beaten you up and sent you away from home. You were loitering on the roads. What is great there? We are also loitering on the roads. You will loiter. What is so bad about it? If you think like that, the consequences which I am afraid of, those consequences we bring to our thought and accept it. The acceptance is the great thing there. If something happens, we will accept. By not accepting, can you do anything? Can you save the situation by not accepting? But we are fools. Most of the stress we are suffering from because of our foolishness. Suppose you have lost everything. You have lost your building, you have lost your property, you have lost your job, lost relatives also. The person, what does it do in such a case? Standing on the road, he will wail and cry that, oh Lord, why has it happened to me? Why has it happened to me? That means, and he is suffering tremendous stress in his mind by losing everything. Now the stress he is suffering, the mental state he is suffering from, is it because of the loss or the non-readiness of the mind to accept the situation? Think. Is it not the non-readiness of the mind to accept whatever has happened? By wailing, crying and complaining to the Lord, can he go back in time and have all the things back? It has already happened. Whatever has already happened, what can you do other than accepting it? You cannot do anything. It's sheer foolishness. If you accept, then immediately you will find that all stress is gone. The mind has become free. And with that free mind, you can again set right your condition. The opportunities are right in front. Because your mind was agitated, you were not able to see the opportunities. In the peaceful, free mind, you will be able to work again and do things. That cultivator, he is saying that again this will happen and we will work again. Because he has accepted the situation. And also he is able to foresee and accept anything happening in future also. So he will not be worried or anxious about this time. If flood comes, if flood comes, if flood comes. By thinking, he will not be able to work properly this year. His acceptance of the future, the worst thing, that again flood will come and take away. That makes him work in a proper manner. So this acceptance is a great key, K-E-Y. Anywhere you accept, by accepting nothing is lost because it has already happened. Acceptance will make your mind free of all stress, anxiety, everything. And it will allow you to work for the better. Now all these things you have to apply. Just by listening, nothing is going to happen. Once you apply, you will understand the power of it. Second time, it will be a reinforcement for applying it. If you apply about 5 to 10 times, then nobody has to tell you. It will become your habit. You will not get agitated by anything happening around.